Welcome dear students to our online classes. I hope all of you are fine. Children, today I will teach a new chapter, chapter 5, concept of time. So, let us go ahead with our studies. Children, what do you see here? This is a digital clock. This is a wall clock and this is a pendulum. Some more clocks. Children, what is the use of these clocks? Why these clocks are kept in our houses? Yes, you are right. Clocks tell us time. Now let us learn what is time. There is a time to sleep, time to wake up and time to eat food. We also go to school on time and come back on time. Measuring time is important. People all over the world measure time using clocks and calendars. Children, calendars also gives us information about holidays and festivals. Clocks and watches tell us time at any moment in a day, whereas calendars tell us time in the form of days, weeks and months. There are also other ways to measure time, such as an hourglass or by observing the position of the sun in the sky. Let's read about time and how it is measured. So children, we can know the time by seeing the clocks, or also we can observe the position of the sun in the sky and know the time. Look at these pictures. In the first picture, you can see this is the night time. Night time we rest and we go to sleep. The next day, that is the after sunrise, we start our day with our work. We get ready to go to the school, have our breakfast and then we go to the school. So there is a time for doing every task. Everybody needs time to do everyday's tasks. Without time, people would find it difficult to be punctual. The word punctual means on time. We can do our work on time when we know the time properly by looking at the clock. Time is measured in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years. It is always changing and does not have a beginning or end. Children, time is always changing and it doesn't have a beginning or end. It tells us about past, present and future events. For example, when things happened, are happening or will happen. So when the things happened, it is the past time. When the things are happening, it is the present time. And when the things will happen, that is the future time. Human beings use time to follow routines and live a steady life. Steady means regular. So people use time to do their work or follow their routines in a regular way without much change. Now children, let us know about timekeepers. First one is sundial. A sundial uses the position of the sun to tell time. It is round with a tall pointer at the center. At the edges of the sundial, different numbers showing the different times of the day are marked. You can see this is a sundial. This is the pointer at the center in the middle. Then the numbers are also marked, which shows the different times of the day. As the sun shines on the sundial, the pointer's shadow falls in different positions at different times of the day. The pointer of the sundial is called a gnomon. It is a Greek word that means the one who knows. Children, Jantar Mantar in Jaipur is the world's largest sundial. Next, hourglass. An hourglass is made of two glass cups joined together by a thin glass tube. The upper glass has sand that passes to the other cup through the tiny tube. Children, there are two glass cups. Sand is kept on the top one, and the sand passes through a thin tube and falls on the second cup. It can be designed to measure a minute to an hour. This hourglass can be designed to measure a minute to an hour. Earlier, people used to tell the passing of time. It is still in use today. An hourglass is also called a sand glass or sand clock. Now, let us study about clocks. Checking time has become easy these days. We have clocks and watches to tell us the exact time at any place. When the clock strikes 12 o'clock during the day, it is noon time. The time before noon is expressed as AM and the time after noon is expressed as PM. There are also alarm clocks that ring at a set time. People use alarm clocks to wake up early in the morning. Even students use alarm clocks to wake up early in the morning, isn't it? Watches are small time-keeping devices that people wear on their wrist. They are also called wristwatches. Here you can see the wristwatch. Some clocks use their hands to tell us time. The longer hand is called the minute hand and the shorter hand is called the hour hand. Certain clocks and watches have seconds hand also. Children, in some of the clocks you will see the third hand, that is the second hands also. Digital clocks tell the exact time in numbers. There are some wristwatches that also tell time in numbers. Children, I had already shown the digital clock in the beginning. In 1656, Christian Huygens, a Dutch scientist and mathematician, invented the pendulum clock. I had also shown the pendulum clock. What is the meaning of pendulum? Pendulum means a weight hung from a fixed point so that it can swing freely. Children, here I am showing you a wristwatch. You can see the longer hand, this is the minute hand, and the shorter hand, this is the hour hand. This is the third one, which is the seconds hand. Children, in this wristwatch, you are not able to see the digits. Instead of digits, there are symbols. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now I am going to show you an alarm clock. This is the alarm clock. Here, children, you can see the digits very clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You can see the seconds hand. It is moving, isn't it? This yellow hand is the second hand. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Okay. Now I will remove this. What is the time now? Let me show you now. What is the time now? You can see the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 12. So it is 4 o'clock. Isn't it? Also, you can see there are small divisions between the numbers from 12 to 1. Then 1 to 2. In between there are divisions. And it is equal to 5 minutes. So, if you count from 12 here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, then 50, 55, then 60. So, 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay. Now, if I move this minute hand, see what happens. If I move this minute hand and stop here at 6, what happens? See, the hour hand also is moving and it is in between 4 and 5. Is it the hour hand? Is it between 4 and 5? So what is the time now? The time now, if you count the minutes from here, from 12, starting from 12, here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So it is 30 minutes. So the clock is showing that 30 minutes have passed after 4 o'clock, or you can say 30 minutes past 4. This is the time shown by the clock just now. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Children, see on page 42 of your book, there is an exercise. You can see. Look at the clocks given below and write the time they are showing. Children, in the first question, both the hands are given, hour hand and minute hand. Okay, so you have to read the time and write the answer. So let us count how many minutes have passed after 6 o'clock? From 12 to 1, 5. From 1 to 2, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time is 6:30. Or you can say 30 minutes past 6. In the second question, you can see the hour hand is pointing towards 8 and the minute hand is pointing towards 12. So the time is 8 o'clock. See the third question. The hour hand is pointing towards 9 and the minute hand is pointing towards 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. See question 4. The hour hand is in between 4 and 5. The hour hand is in between 4 and 5. And how many minutes have passed? After 4 o'clock, from 12 to 1, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time is 4:30. Now see second question. Draw the time in the clocks given below. We have to draw both the hands of the clocks, the hour hand and the minute hand. See, the first question is 6 o'clock. So where will be the hour hand? The hour hand will show towards 6 and the minute hand will be at 12. So this is 6 o'clock. Second question, 1:30. So the hour hand will be in between 1 and 2. And how many minutes have passed after 1 o'clock? Start counting from here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time is 1:30. Children, I have left the next two questions for you to do yourself. I hope you will be able to do yourself. So I am ending the lesson here. So take care and bye.